Hi there, 8th graders. Lesson 31, adding integers, collecting like terms. Okay. Objectives, adding integers with same and with opposite sides, applying addition integers to problem-solving situations, model the addition of an integer on a number line, recognize additive inverse of a number. Okay, at this point you can stop, you can do your power up and see how you feel, get your mind on math. So it's good. I'm going to move on at this point, so pause if you're going to. Vocab, we have one, additive inverse, a number that when added to a given number gives you 0. Okay. Example 1, if the temperature in the morning is -4 degrees but increases increases 10 degrees by noon, then what is the noontime temperature? Well, we're starting at -4 and we're going to add, because we're increasing, by 10. When I add those two together, you could change it and go 10 minus 4. Which would get, or you could add a -4, whatever, same thing, and you get 6. So at noon, your temperature will be 6 degrees. Okay, that'd be your answer for example 1. Example 2, Samuel has no money and owes a friend $5. If Sam earns $15 washing cars, then he can repay his friend and have some money left over. Write an equation for this situation and find out how much money Sam has left after he repays his friend. So you have a total of $15 in your account. Okay? So 15 minus what your friend owes you, or you owe your friend, equals n, which is what you got left over. Not saying this is the only equation you could create here, but this is the equation in which I am choosing to create. So you would then subtract, and you would get n equals 10. So, n equals 10. Is your answer for this. Alright, so now we just got getting rid of the word problems. We're going to go to example 3, or we're just find each sum. Okay, here, the key to these is, okay, first off, we have -6 plus a +2. Now, our signs are different, right? So, now, which sign is bigger? Well, hopefully the -6 is bigger than 2. So you're going to have a negative number, and when you add those together, you should get 4. Okay? Number 2, you have +6 plus a -2. Which number is bigger? Because the signs are different. The positive is, so our answer is going to be positive. You add those together, you should get +4. Number 3, your signs are the same. So add them together. I'm going to get 8 and keep the sign. Okay, on number 4, the signs are different again. You have -6 plus a +6. Neither one of them has a strength. This is an additive inverse, in which it would equal 0. Okay, adding with two integers. To find the sum of addends with different signs, subtract the absolute value of the addends, take the sign of the addend with the greater absolute value. To find the sum of addends with the same sign, add the absolute value of the addends, take the sign of the addends. Alright, identifying numerical coefficients of each of these terms. So, this might be a little bit new to you guys. So, in this first one, identify the numerical coefficient of each term. Is there a number in front of A or B? No. So it is just going to be 1. It's the number in front of your variables. Well, in this case, we don't have one, but we know we can multiply by 1 and we get the same thing. Do not put 0 there, because if you're multiplying, 0 does not work well. B. Well, we know there is a number there, so it's going to be that 3. C. Okay? There is no number there, but once again, we can put a 1 in there, and it's going to have to be a negative 1. And those are your coefficients of each term. Okay? Simplify the expression by collecting like terms. Like terms have to either be numbers or the variables have to be the same, which also means their exponents would have to be the same. We have 3x plus 2 minus x plus 3. So we really could combine this and make 3x minus x plus 2 plus 3. Okay, we get 2x plus 5. And that is our answer. For example, 5. Okay, what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Okay, how do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? Length plus width plus length plus width. Okay, I have 2w plus 3 plus 2w plus 3. I'm going to get 2w plus 2w, which I can combine because they are like terms. And I'm going to give 4w plus 6. That is my answer for that one. And it's actually x, but... Alright. Practice set. Remember your practice set, I will check if you bring it in, and I will help you get the right answers for that completely. Not that I would help you on the rest of the homework, but I will check those. Alright, practice set. Your homework is practice set all on page 208, 2 through 30 evens. Have a good day.